Hi.
Hi. You toot. Hi. Oh.
Leaves.
What?
Leaves.
Leaves. Yeah, pretty leaves, huh? Can you say poinsettia?
Poinsettia. That's the main flower of Mexican. That's the.
Is that their main flower?
Yeah. That's a Christmas flower.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they are pretty.
Oh.
Oh.
A puppy. A puppy. Puppy.
A puppy.
Puppy.
That is puppy. It is puppy. Woof woof.
Dad.
Yes. Yeah, be gentle to puppy. Be careful. Where are you going?
I think she likes the
You
snowman.
like the snowman, don't you? Are you gentle with the snowman? Yeah, he's got a hat on.
Can you say Oliver?
Nose. He's got a
Berta,
nose.
I'm recording.
Does he have eyes? Yeah.
Look at Miles. Miles has. Oh.
Does he have a mouth?
Berta, I'm gonna stop recording, okay?